Not the warmest day on record, that's for sure. Although, to be fair, it's not actually that bad. Just got to be careful for where the sun hasn't hit the ice. Anyway, this is it, boys and girls. This is the, I'll say the maiden voyage for this bike, but it's not, is it? I don't know, what would you call them? The last voyage. So a departed little angel. She's going to a better home. Going to a better home, I hope. Yeah, I was going to literally fill this bike with a few quid. We're not wasting any petrol, any money. I took off and sent off my... Yeah, I took off my engine guards and frame sliders in really good nick actually, and I literally sent them off to someone today. Gary, if you're watching, hello mate. Hope you enjoy them. Managed to sort of sell them off, which is good. I've still got the exhaust if anyone is interested in that, by the way. I've got the Leo Vinci LV1, fantastic sounding exhaust that is. That has got a cut baffle, so it sounds the nuts. Not quite as loud as the without a baffle, thankfully, because that's just way too loud for the roads. At least where I am at. But enough to get you heard, that's for sure. I mean, I've had someone come up to me and say that they don't fit the 2021 models, sort of 2019 to 21 onwards. However, I've spoken to Leo Vinci and they have confirmed that it should fit me fine. It should fit fine, so I don't know. Fuel montage! I feel a montage. Is that a copper? I don't think it is. 2.5 litre should go there. Come on, cunt. There we go. God. Here we go. Hi mate, number 3 please. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. You alright? I feel a montage. Alright, let's do a new thing here. Right, last tank. Lovely. Come on then folks, let's go gadget penis. Go gadget enlarge clitoris. Engage! Oh, a nice big shit lad. Oh yeah. Oh, that human's gotta go and pick it up now. Dirty cunt. Make sure you smush it in with your arse, Benjamin. Like, I say this every fucking time. Every time I get a new bike, or get a bike, I'm like, oh yeah, sick mate. But I can't actually say, I actually will miss this bike quite a lot, I think. Primarily just for the... Primarily just because it's nice for this stuff. It's nice for getting around traffic and shit. Very light, nimble. But saying that, the Speed Triple is just as nice. Speaking to someone who was saying that they had, they've got a Speed Triple, and that sort of chugginess at the bottom end that I was speaking about on my test ride, it goes away apparently after the first service or so. Apparently the oil that they use is quite a bit of contention. That's it, wheelie jump. Apparently the oil that they use straight out the factory is really thick, really shitty, and that could be a possibility. I doubt that very highly, to be honest. I've never heard of that before. Thank you, love. Yeah, bro. But yeah, I'm going to miss this girl. I'll get a jump off here for you. Oh man, I'm going to miss this bike for that shit. This guy's gassing me out with this car. Not nice that. Yeah, it's a beautiful day to do it. Thankfully, this is the only good day this week. Tomorrow's meant to be shit again, and it's, you know, it's winter, so what do you expect? It's just nice, isn't it? When it's not raining. I mean, the cold, yeah, whatever. Okay, so the gear shifter went stiff again then. So if there's anyone out here with street triples who's having the same issue, I implore you, please talk to Triumph about it, talk to your dealer. Because they won't do anything for anybody in terms of recalls unless enough people complain about it. It's going to be nice to get this jittery bastard out of my hands though. Wind noise! Na 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 na, wind noise! Now this is pod racing! I make myself cringe sometimes, most of the time. Oh, the brakes are squeaking. Actually, you know, the brakes haven't squawked. What is the word for that? squeaking, squawked, squawked. The fuck am I on about? Woo! I'm actually going to miss this bike. I'm not going to miss it for the pain. I'm not going to miss it for, you know, a lot of reasons, but I will miss it for its character. Because it has got a lot. I'm not going to miss it for its vibraty fucking wind mirrors though. Oh, Jesus Christ. No! Don't do that. There's lots of content coming up, that's for sure. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, my right knee's starting to hurt already. I do think it's best for me to get rid of this thing. It's just a bit too cramped, you know. Yeah, I've been doing lots of limbering recently. Well, I say lots of. I've been doing flat-footed squats to help me with my knees and my thigh problems that I've been having. Again, like I said, since the temperature's dropped, so I've been in quite a lot of pain. Quite a lot of pain. If I'm on this thing for too long, it fucking tears, man. Like getting my knees down, getting my legs down from the I mean, they're starting to ache now, but getting my legs down from the pegs and then back up again, fucking hell, they're like seized into place. Oh man, if you're on the market for a mid-range bike, this is phenomenal. This is a really good bike. This is, like I said, I want to touch on something because it bugs me. It really fucking irks me. I get, right, people spend money on things and they don't like to hear their little babies being criticised. I've had quite a lot of criticism for my critiques of this bike in particular, which I don't mind. I don't mind people having an opinion. Free to comment whatever you fucking want on my videos. You do what you want, right? Dislike, I don't care, because you know, there should be a platform to speak your mind. So you do whatever you want to do. Anyway, what I have got a problem with is people brushing over obvious problems because, like I said, it's their baby and they don't want to offend it. They don't want to think that they've wasted money on a product that has an issue. They want to see it honeymoon sort of thing. They want to see it in its honeymoon phase forever, and they want to see is that, you know, my investment, I've not wasted any money, you know, all that kind of bullshit. It smells like weed. Ooh, it smells like ganja, this. Ooh, is it you, love? Oh, drug addict. So yeah, that annoys me when people just, in the face of evidence, in the face of a problem, they deny it inherently. I've done it before, don't get me wrong, because you don't want to face the fact that the thing that you've spent all your money on, or you know, your wages and your hard-earned money, you don't want to accept that thing can have a problem. So with the gear shifter and with the gear shifter issues that I've got, and all the other problems, like the fuel gauge tell me that it's, you know, that's wrong, and also, you know, I get criticisms, oh, my bike's not like that, oh, it's amazing, my bike's never been like this. Right, fair enough, that's good for you, fantastic for your bike. But I've had numerous people come to me now, tell me that they've had the same problem on the same model year. It kind of speaks for itself, really. Don't be so overly keen to, oh my Jesus Christ, don't be so overly keen to glance over problems or potential problems. At the very least, accept there might be a problem, and when you get to that stage, you know what to do about it if you've done your research at least. But anyway, there's a bit of a rant over, you know. It's one of those things. Why am I neutral? Okay, I'm in neutral. Oh, did you see that? Okay. Fucking hell. But I've also come to the conclusion with the test rides that I've been doing, you know, things aren't the way they used to be anymore in terms of motorbikes and vehicles and quality in general with products. Even things coming out of China, you know, you cannot get a bad bike anymore. You just cannot get a bad bike. Like, all these bikes that I've been test riding of late have proven to me that they are the problems with them, as in the things that people sort of blanket statement as criticisms, like riding position or character or, you know, mapping, fueling, all these kind of things. It's made me realise that There are no bad bikes. It's all about your preference as to what you want in a bike. If you want all that stuff, if you want EC, you know, if you want 20,000 rider modes and you want a nice dash and you want all that kind of stuff, there's a bike for you there. There's loads of bikes for you, and this is what I'm coming to, is that there are no bad bikes, and the service that you get these days as well. I mean, back in the day of Ducati and Aprilia and the Italian bikes all breaking down all the time, fucking hell, man. If you look at the reliability figures now, they're still, you know, they are still fairly nearer to the bottom, shall we say, of all the others compared to like Honda, Kawasaki, blah blah blah. But at the same time, the actual figures themselves have decreased dramatically. So you can't tell me these days that there are bad bikes out there anymore. And this is not a bad bike. This is a brilliant bike. This is a phenomenal bike, you know what I mean? However, it's not a good bike for my needs. That's why I'm letting it go. I'm going to say, if you're wondering about overtaking, prowess, power, all that kind of stuff, more than enough for the road. More than enough, this bike, for these bikes. The traction controls, oh, fucking hell. Okay, that's why I can't keep this bike. The suspension. Oh, fuck, man. That absolutely fucking killed me. That's gonna smart for a few days, that. I didn't realise that fucking pothole was there, or whatever it was. But I just fucking flew over that and jolt, bang. It's like hitting a brick wall. And yeah, get it tuned out, blah 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 blah. I've had these forks before. I can't tune them out. Well, that's just sent me into a bit of a spasm in my back and legs now. So if I'm moaning, you now know why. The traction and stuff on this bike, the electronics, they're fantastic. Yeah, you've not got a 6-axis IMU and all that bollocks, but do you really need it with this power? Don't know. Maybe you do. I'll tell you what though, as soon as that sun's gone in, it is fucking dropped. I am freezing. Okay, brakes. There you go. Oh, nice. Slippy roads and brakes are fantastic. ABS is wonderful on this bike. Oh, what am I in? Oh, my voice broke. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Yep, there's the old leg pain. Fucking hello, sir. Ah, my bad fucking leg. Shit, man. Fuck. Here comes the cramp again, pulling at my groin, drenched in my semen, coming on your arse. Feel the traction kicking in then? One of the things that I wanted to just clear the air, right, is do not be put off buying this bike just because it's not decent for me. This could be your fucking perfect bike, this could. So don't just count it out just because I'm, you know, criticising it. Go and test ride these things. That's the main thing that I've learnt here. Holy shit, that's cool. Like the sun has caused some kind of weird rainbow in the clouds up there with the snow. That's fucking amazing. Never seen that before. My fucking bag's coming off, one sec. Oh dear. Here we go. Oh, hello there, sir. That is fucking cool. I'm not sure if you can see that stuff because it's on my chest mount. You're on my titties. And there's the calf. The calf has gone. Crampy, crampy, cramp. Ow. Brakes on this are just unreal. The M50s are such good brakes. Such good calipers. Oh, it's cold. You know, when I was a fat cunt, I used to fucking love winter. Because I never used to get cold, because I was fat. Although I was riding all the time as well, I never fucking got I never got cold. So weird to look back on, but now. Whoa, okay, this is ice, baby. Yeah, let's not skid around, mate. Give me a banjo! Woo! Yeah, I never felt so alive! One thing I've noticed about vlogging again is that I get a really sore throat. Wonder why? Not just from shouting like a twat, but from just talking. Because I realised that throughout COVID, I've not been talking that much. I barely talk to anyone from working from home and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's a bit strange thinking about it. No, I'm not nodding to you, you're a fucking moped. The moped lads, they think they're bad. The moped lads, if you hit them, they knob their dance. I've had my vitamins today, can you tell? Yeah, mate. I fucking nicked this guy's tyre, yeah. Fucking get out of my fucking face, you fucking knobhead. I'll fucking twat your mum. You fucking cripple. Gotta love Stoke. Oh, we're nearly there already, folks. It's been a quick one, actually. It's a quick one. Oh, it's nippy, it's fucking cold. I'm shivering like a fucking toad. God, it's cold. My penis is tiny. Crampy Cramp, hello Cramp, how are you? Yes, I'm fine, I'm in pain. Thank you very much, fuck you, I hate my body. Motherfucker, 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 yeah. So I was in a shit mood this morning and this has cheered me right up this. Don't know why, but it has. Oh, I keep seeing fucking shit, seeing fucking shit. Seeing fucking shit, I'm tripping, seeing shit, I'm seeing fucking shit. Gonna have this fucker. And that was the traction kicking in again. Here's the coppers. Here are the plod. Here are the 5-0. Here are the pigs in blankets. Thank you, sir. I do appreciate you moving over for me. Thank you kindly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, it's not illegal. Thank you, it's not illegal. This is a bit trippy with the buses here. I don't want to get rammed or jammed. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's cold, isn't it, love? Big boy coming through on his big motorcycle, on his big pedal bike, like. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. It's a fucking Thursday. Everyone should be at fucking home or at work. Oh, another plod, bloody hell. PC plodders everywhere, like. Has there been an accident or something? Because this is a bit shit, this traffic, aye. Oh shit. Right, I'm about to get through here. Oh, right, okay. Something happened. Oh, for fuck's sake, are you for real? Oh, it's a wedding. Oh, for fuck's sake, man, what the... It's not a wedding, it's a funeral. Fucking great. Who's kiffed it? Yeah, it's fucking freezing now, hurry up. Oh, let us through, love, come on. This must be someone popular because very fancy cars and lots of people. Beautiful weather though, just look at that, look at the view. It's phenomenal. Let us through, love. No, you're gonna keep staring at me. I feel the montage. Thing is with the bike, I don't want to scare the horses, because that would not make for a good funeral or a good send. Oh, I'll make it for a good send off actually. Doing a fucking backflip whilst the horses just fuck off. Come on, fascist, let me through. You know what, folks, when I die, I don't want any of you to make this much of a fuss over me, yeah? I mean, I know you love me, and I'm fucking unreal, and oh fucking hell, man, I am just the epitome of a perfect person. But don't go through all this effort. It's not worth it. It's not worth holding up the traffic or bikers that might be around. I can hear music. What a bop, man. Yeah. ABBA? Why have they put ABBA on? Fucking tedium, isn't it, eh? I'll catch you up, folks, I think. Fuck, I wasn't recording. Fuck's sake. Oh, man. I managed to get past the funeral. They all let me through. It was kind of cool. I went freewheeling down with in neutral. That was kind of fucking snazzy, that was. Alright, girlie. Right, girlie, you're a dirty whore. I'm very sorry for doing this for you, but I will see you very, very soon. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not, but whatever.